Hi, this video is about the Nova folding walker bags that now come in two new gorgeous styles. We have butterflies and then garden flowers, and I just love these prints, and they add so much style, beauty, and storage to your folding walker. So they fit all folding walker sizes, 1 button, 2 buttons, and even the bariatric walkers. So feel assured that it will fit your walker. All right, so I love the features of this bag because we've got 3 mesh pockets in the front, so great for cell phone and remotes, and then even 2 pockets in the back, so you can then reach your personal belongings, maybe pills or keys. And then we've got a roomy compartment in the middle. So here I've got in this bag, I've put a wallet and even a small book. And I love the feature of the zipper. It closes, but we've added this key ring to make it really easy to open and close. All right, so the bag attaches so easily and very securely with these 7 Velcro straps. So I'm going to show you how easily it goes onto your walker. All right, there you go. And the bag is not just beautiful, but it's so durable. So it's made of this durable nylon material. It's also really easy to clean. It's machine washable in cold, and then I would recommend air drying it. All right, there you go. Those are the 2 new styles of folding walker bags, the butterflies and the garden flowers. And as with all of Nova products, it comes with our care, use, and warranty information and how to contact us anytime.